Metal Magic Mike hit us up. He's got some old vintage BMX bikes he's trying to hawk for $5.50 a piece. And they actually look pretty interesting, so we're gonna go check them out and see if we want to buy them. Chances are we're gonna buy them. There's Brandon.
Yo. GT dog. And a fucking nickel mongoose, dude.
We're gonna make both. That's not bad.
This is a Tony Hawk bike?
It's not really for sale, but I'd sell it to you.
There you go, Metal Magic Mike right here.
This is how I sell it.
Well,
You ready?
yeah.
Fred, $5.50. Same as always.
Done.
Anything
Goodbye later to pick it up.
Welcome to 550 land. You were at the dollar stores, this is $5.50 land. $5.05. Right, Beanie Baby Classic, $5.50. Table, $5.50.
Damn, is this actually $5.50, bro?
Sure, for you.
That's kind of sick.
It is.
Does it work?
Oh.
Does it work? I didn't pay $173.15 for trash. I got it. Look at that.
It's been good.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
Oh, you might not want to go in there after all.
Why?
You might get beat up by the comic. Here, you can hold this right here.
By the comic?
Comic. Yeah, be careful with it.
I got it.
Don't let it go.
I'm keeping
Yeah, that sounds
Can't.
Yeah, she's got it. Get away.
sick.
Can Iron Man?
Does it gotta be the motor's gotta be spinning before they go?
Metal Magic Mike, the wheeler and dealer.
Super sick.
Mike, I don't want to hold this on much.
What's going on here, dude?
I'll
What
be
is
sad.
I don't know.
Yard sale,
Believe me, I
living
want to
place,
fly.
greenhouse,
I can go out there
nursery.
where you guys are.
All
fly
in
it.
one. Truck
Yeah.
stuff.
You got a runway?
All in
Well,
one.
we have
Scooters.
scooters.
Photo shop.
You got a parking
Automotive?
lot?
Got it up on the lid.
Fred, I can fly it.
You can have that, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Mike, you are too kind.
Cool, huh?
Sick.
Trans Am, right?
Sign one of the mirrors.
No, that would ruin it.
Off on the side. You can wipe
It would make
off.
it worth more.
Wait, is
Wouldn't
that our old
expect
couch?
anything else.
No.
Yeah, maybe.
Wait, is that our old couch?
No.
Maybe. Yeah, that's it. The brown one?
Yeah.
You told me you didn't want it.
I don't know. It ended up here,
It's
I guess.
comfy as
Up here.
Today's what?
What is that?
5, 5th month, 8th day. I'm gonna guess it's the 8th day.
10.
Is it the 10th?
Yeah.
I'm 2 days behind.
It's
Figure.
all good, dude. Sick.
Okay, I signed it, but I didn't sign it to you. But you know what I meant.
Wow. It's going up in the front office.
It's not my good side.
I know.
One of the very first that Stan has made in his garage. Like, that's history, you know what I'm saying? For real.
Yeah.
I don't think you realize exactly what you're looking at there.
I mean, I don't.
Somebody cut it off, and it is the way I got it, right there. Look, I'm in a bind right now. I need $200, but I'll take whatever you give me.
I gotta phone a friend. Ariel, watch over this.
Oh my god.
So Metal Magic Mike hit us up about a couple BMX bikes. And one of them's a nickel mongoose. And the other one looks like an old GT Performer. It would be like, all this shit, I'll give you $200. That's what you
No,
told
I'm
us you
keeping the
wanted.
mongoose.
Came down here telling us $11 in
Yeah.
total.
What?
We're offering
take 200.
We're offering you $200, and now you're saying no. 0 to 200 real quick. Partner here.
Anything else?
That's the most money I've ever given you, Mike.
Yeah, there you go.
Anything else you want?
Anyway, well, we're taking the bird.
Oh yeah. The electric scooter.
Fred's gonna need that soon.
Snoopy?
I can see that Porsche. You can have the Porsche
That's all I wanted.
That's all she had to hear was
Damn, dude. This Mike be hustling now. Dude. He's got this property.
Mission success?
I don't know if you call that a success, but it's something. We just came up on some bikes.
I think I might have came up on a couple $100.
Powered kitty car. We don't work on real cars anymore, fool.
Damn it. It's kind of fucked up.
Yeah.
As much as I want to be like, do it! It's kind of messed up.
How funny that would be, bro.
She's like on a business call with like a fucking, like a sponsor or something. And you're just like,
You want something to eat?
It's a megaphone. It like makes your voice really loud. Yeah.
What's up, you wrench nation? What's up, you wrench nation? We out here. Got a BMW over there getting a new clutch today. Transmission's already out and on the floor. Examine. We got a K-Series over there with tinfoil. We got this piece of shit here, all torn apart with booger welds. Brandon hacking it up, making it look like total shit. It's not gonna be worth anything when he's done with it. We got 3 long-term projects over there, plus a live-grade pile of junk. And check this out.
What's that say right there, dude?
Expert grill, mother. What we grilling today? Instructions, boy. Read them.
Ruckus, dude.
Get out of here.
It smells like urine over here.
Yeah, I just peed over there. I peed on your door because you wouldn't answer when I knocked. Rude.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna take some to the powder coater today, hopefully too. We got our BMX bike. We got some valve covers going, some intercooler piping.
You have nipples.
I'm going to the powder coater.
Shit's fucked, yo.
Here we go, guys. Changes colors.
Who's that?
That thing on my face.
Someone didn't change their oil. What? Jeez.
Went to the shop. We need to take the thing off, which means now he has to drill it. You f***ed up. Look what is going on.
We're back. They wanted us to drill the baffle out. So here we are.
This will be like the 4th time we've tried to paint this thing wrinkle red, and I don't think I can survive another wrinkle red adventure.
I don't know where my friends are. It's hot in this car. I should have gone in. Also, the new Bronco is kind of lame.
You have my camera, and then you have Sarah's camera. Can you tell there's a budget for one of us? Hey, bro.
I saw my peg go straight at the lens.
$5 cheeseburger, chips, and a drink.